Hand-shaped patties can be messy, inconsistent, and frustrating, leaving you chasing broken edges or trying to balance thickness. A quality burger press solves that by delivering uniform, tight patties that cook evenly and hold together beautifully. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 burger presses that deliver consistency, ease, and durability, so you can make perfect burgers every time. So, without any delay, let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Manukode Stainless Steel Burger Smasher, a rugged, reliable tool made for flat-top grill enthusiasts. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, this smasher gives you even pressure and a perfect crust on every patty. The square base covers more surface area than round presses, making it ideal for larger burgers or even grilling bacon and sandwiches. The heat-resistant wooden handle not only looks classy, but stays cool to the touch, so you can press comfortably without burning your hand. It's dishwasher safe and built to last for years of backyard BBQs. What I love about the Manukode is how it transforms your griddle into a burger station, delivering that golden, crispy edge that makes every bite taste like it came from a diner. The only small downside is its size. It's slightly heavier than average, but that extra weight gives your burgers that signature sear every time. At number 4 is a true classic, the Weston Burger Press. This one's for the burger purists who love control and consistency. The Weston lets you adjust the thickness of your patty with precision, whether you want a quarter pounder or a thick half-pound masterpiece. The all-metal design feels solid, and the spring-loaded handle with an easy ejector makes removing your patties clean and simple. No mess, no sticking. Perfect for bulk prep, you can press out dozens of identical burgers for parties, cookouts, or meal prep. Plus, if you like freezing patties ahead of time, the Weston keeps them uniform for easy stacking. The only drawback? It's not ideal for smash burgers. It's built more for perfectly formed, classic-style patties. But if you're looking for restaurant-grade consistency and a press that's been trusted for decades, Weston has earned its spot on this list. Coming in at number 3 is the Cuisinart Smash Burger Press, a cast-iron beast built for those who love that crispy, caramelized crust. This pre-seasoned cast-iron press delivers maximum heat retention, which means your burgers get that instant sear the second they hit the grill. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a firm grip while staying cool even during long grilling sessions. It's not just for burgers. You can use it for bacon, paninis, grilled cheese, and more. What makes the Cuisinart press special is its weight-to-surface balance. It's heavy enough to press burgers evenly, but not so heavy that it crushes your meat into the griddle. Cleaning is also easy thanks to its smooth surface and seasoned finish. If you're chasing that crispy edge smash burger experience like you'd get at Shake Shack or Five Guys, this press will get you 90% of the way there right from your backyard. In the runner-up spot, number 2, we've got the FersGrill Burger Press, a modern take on the traditional cast-iron press. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it's designed for precision smashing and even cooking on any griddle, Blackstone, Pit Boss, or even your kitchen pan. The smooth, flat base ensures your burgers cook evenly while sealing in flavor. Its non-stick surface prevents your patties from tearing apart when you lift the press, and the ergonomic handle provides excellent control, allowing you to apply just the right amount of pressure. The FersGrill also doubles as a steak or sandwich press, so it's a versatile tool for any grill setup. One feature users love is how evenly it distributes weight. No awkward wobbles or uneven edges. The only con? It's not dishwasher safe, but a quick rinse and wipe keeps it looking brand new. If you want that professional grill house finish without the bulk, the FersGrill is an outstanding choice. And taking the number 1 spot, no surprise here, is the Cuisinart Cast Iron Smashed Burger Press, the king of burger presses and a must-have for serious grillers. This 6-inch, pre-seasoned cast iron press delivers perfect, uniform smash burgers with ease. The solid weight gives you just the right amount of pressure to flatten your patty and lock in flavor while achieving that mouth-watering sear. The cast iron material retains and distributes heat evenly, ensuring a perfect crust every time. It's built to handle high temperatures on any surface, griddle, grill, or cast iron pan, and its grooved bottom prevents slippage while letting fat drain properly for that crispy outer texture. The handle stays cool, feels comfortable, and gives you full control over every press. The Cuisinart press is also ridiculously durable. It'll last a lifetime if you treat it right. If you want restaurant-style smash burgers at home with minimal effort, this is the one.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!